A small but important update is now rolling out to Samsung Galaxy S26 phones running the One UI 9.0 beta. Samsung and Google have resumed Google Play system updates after temporarily pausing them, giving Galaxy S26 beta users another sign that development is moving forward. Last week, Samsung announced that it was working with Google to pause Google Play system updates on Galaxy S26 devices using the One UI 9.0 beta. The reason was not explained in detail, but the pause suggested that Samsung and Google needed some time to make sure the update system worked properly with the new software. Now that pause appears to be over. A new Google Play system update is available for Galaxy S26 units running One UI 9.0 beta. The update is relatively small, with a download size of around 12 megabytes, and it is dated July 1, 2026. Keep in mind though, Google has not provided a detailed changelog for this particular update. That means users may not immediately notice any major changes after installing it. Google Play system updates are different from the main One UI software updates released by Samsung. They focus on important Android components and security-related parts of the system. Because of that, these updates can improve the overall reliability and security of a phone without introducing obvious new features. For Galaxy S26 beta users, getting these updates again is still important. It suggests that Samsung and Google are continuing to work together on the software behind One UI 9.0 and Android 17. If you own a Galaxy S26 running the One UI 9.0 beta, you can check for the update directly from your phone. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, select Updates, and finally choose Google Play System Update. From there, your phone can check whether the latest update is available. This news also comes at an interesting time, because Samsung is actively working on the next beta version of One UI 9.0. Just recently, the company released the 5th beta version of the software for the Galaxy S26 series. That means Samsung is making steady progress toward the final version of One UI 9.0. The Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra have already been testing the new software, and each beta is expected to bring improvements, fixes, and better overall stability. One UI 9.0 is based on Android 17, so Samsung has a lot to test before the software is ready for a wider release. Beta testing helps the company find problems that may not appear during internal testing, especially when thousands of users are running the software in different ways. The return of Google Play system updates may seem like a small detail, but it is another piece of the larger One UI 9.0 development process. For beta users, keeping these system components updated can be just as important as installing the main Samsung beta updates. At this point, there are no major new features confirmed with this 12 megabyte Google Play system update. Since Google has not published a changelog, it is better to view this release as a maintenance update rather than a major feature update. Still, the timing is encouraging. Samsung and Google appear to have resolved whatever issue led to the temporary pause, and updates are moving again. With the 5th One UI 9.0 beta already available and Google Play system updates now resumed, Galaxy S26 users have plenty to look forward to as Samsung continues polishing Android 17 for its flagship phones.